In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available. Let's start with the quickest wins. Begin by refreshing the page if you're on a browser. If that doesn't bring Marketplace back, fully close and reopen Facebook. A fresh launch clears small glitches. If you still don't see it, log out of your account and then log back in. This resets your session and often restores missing features. Next, check your internet connection. Marketplace can fail to load on a slow or unstable network. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router and give it a minute to come back online before you try again. If the issue persists, clear your cache and cookies. On a browser, open Settings, head to Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select Cache and Cookies, then Confirm. This removes outdated files that can block Marketplace from appearing. Keep in mind you may be signed out of some sites and need to sign back in. On mobile, clear the Facebook app cache on Android. If you're on iPhone, reinstalling the app is the simplest way to refresh its data. Make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and install any available updates. Outdated versions can have bugs that hide features like Marketplace. Now check your location settings. Marketplace relies on accurate location to show local listings and to verify availability. Turn on location services for Facebook, set your correct city or area within the app, and turn off any VPN you're using. A VPN can make it look like you're in a different region, which can remove Marketplace. If you're searching within Marketplace and getting nothing useful, try broader or different keywords. For example, instead of iPhone 11, try iPhone or Apple phone. Small changes can surface more results. On a computer, disable browser extensions temporarily. Tools like ad blockers or privacy filters can interfere with Facebook. Turn them off, reload Marketplace, and see if it returns. It's also important to check whether your account has any restrictions. Go to the menu, open Help and Support, then check your support inbox or account status. If there's a restriction, you'll see details there. To isolate the problem, try Facebook on another device or in a different browser. If it works elsewhere, the issue is likely with your original device or app. If it fails everywhere, it's probably account related. Finally, sometimes it's on Facebook's end. Wait 24 to 48 hours and try again. Temporary outages do happen and they usually resolve on their own.